Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And guys, thank you so much for the support, for the comments, for the subscriptions, and of course continue subscribing to my YouTube channel. As you can see guys, today we are doing cassava, and you can see the ingredients. We have the cassava, we have onions, red and yellow capsicums, we have some tomatoes, coriander, we have some garlic, ginger, we have our curry powder here, and of course oil and also salt. And now to our first process, we'll have to peel this cassava. On peeling our cassava, we slice into pieces, as you can see. Like that. Another one. Okay, now guys, we'll peel this cassava. It's simple. You do like this. That way. The skin will come out automatic. You see? You see? The skin. The other one. You see? Slice it again. Yeah. Now guys, we boil our cassava. And to boil our cassava, we have to let the water boil, then we put our cassava. So what we'll do, we'll put some salt, like that. Then we let the water boil, and we'll add our cassava. Now as you can see, our water have boiled. Now we add our cassava. And don't forget, when we peeled our cassava, we washed it, so it's clean. We add and let them cook. Now guys, we'll check in on our cassava to see if they are ready. As you can see, once you see the crack, it's almost there. We give like 5 minutes, then it will be good. Now guys, as you can see, our yuca is ready. Even it has cracked. Now we drain the water for the next process. As you can see guys, we have drained the water and our yuca is ready. Now we let it cool. Okay. Now, to those who don't know, yuca has stem, as you can see, and it's not edible. So you remove that stem, okay, like this. I hear people say that it's poisonous. You remove the stem like that. This other one. Make sure you remove the stem. Now guys, we have removed the stem, and also we have cut our cassava into pieces. Yuca, you can call it yuca or cassava. Okay, now we fry our yuca. Now guys, onto frying our yuca, we add oil like that. We let it heat a bit. We add our onions. Now we add our garlic and ginger. We add our curry powder. We add our red and yellow capsicum. We add our tomatoes. Now we let them cook a little bit. And to that, now we add our yuca. We add salt. just a pinch. Remember we boiled our yuca with salt. You can see, guys, our yuca looks delicious. Guys, as you can see, our yuca is ready. Now we garnish our yuca. Guys, our yuca is ready. Looks delicious, tasty, and now we plate it. Guys, as you can see, we have plated our yuca cassava. Looks delicious, tasty, and I can't wait to dig in. Okay guys, that is for today. And also guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Those who are showing love, continue showing love, continue commenting, continue liking. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Thank you so much.